What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This vehicle here behind me is a 2021 Hyundai Sonata. 2021 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you guys how to take out this battery and how to put it back. Okay? I'm going to show you how to replace this battery. I'm going to show you the points first while I show you the work. Okay? With that said, guys, let's go take a look. First thing, guys, go ahead and get yourself a little hand ratchet, extension with the a number 12, and a number 10. You're gonna need this at 10, okay? Or a clip move, you're gonna need it. All right, guys. Over here. Let's get to it, guys. Put these here for now. Put my tools over here. Over here, guys. This is the positive, negative. The positive is always red, okay? Don't be afraid, guys. You will not get shocked. Don't be afraid. See this piece right here? Squeeze this. Squeeze this in and pull it out. See that? It comes out. This one, just grab it, pop it off. See that? But when you go to put this back, just go ahead, line it up, and snap it back in, okay? Anyways, it comes right out. Now, first thing first, guys. See this 10 right here? Go ahead and loose that, which is this one, number 10. Okay, loose it. You can use this one to make it loose, or you could get yourself a cordless drill. I will be using the cordless drill because it's more time efficient, more faster. Okay. Either way, every nut and bolt you take from all this battery, you're gonna turn to the left. Okay. Every last one, turn to the left. See, right there, guys. Loose that screw right there. Don't take it off all the way. Take it off halfway, guys. Okay. Halfway. You're gonna hold it and shake it, and it comes off. See that? Pull it off. Then you're gonna set this aside, guys. Set the backboard aside just like that. And you're gonna do the same thing for this one. Loose that one right there, but don't take it off all the way, halfway. Okay. See that? Halfway. Wiggle it. See that? It comes off. You're gonna set that aside. Set that aside. See? Set it aside. Now, see these handles? These handles are gonna grab and put out the battery, but not yet. Still have work to do. Down here. You see a screw down there? That is in number 12. That's where this one comes in at, with the extension, number 12. We're gonna take that screw loose. That's what holding the battery, guys. See that screw? That's what holding the battery along with this bracket. So if we're gonna go down there, we're gonna take that loose. We're gonna turn to the left. Then I'm gonna get my magnet. Actually, I don't need a magnet. I'm gonna put my hand down there and get it out. See that screw? That nut? Go ahead. Actually, just grab it here, and it comes out. See? Comes out. Now, when you guys go to put this thing back, you guys see this groove right here? This groove. I'm gonna put this down. This groove right here is what hold on the battery. When you put this back, put this right back. This groove, you're gonna put this groove right back over this, okay? You make sure it sits right back on top of this to hold the battery, okay? But by the way, when you guys put this thing back, look, see? The screw will not loosen because that piece is holding it. When you go to put that back, you're gonna take off this from off your tool and hand screw it. Catch the screw with your hand first, and once the screw is catched, go ahead and tie it down, okay? Now, I want you to grab the battery and pull it backwards and go up, okay? Gonna hold it like this, slide it backwards, just like this, see? Slide it backwards, just like it moves, and it's gonna come up with it. The reason why you slide it backwards, because there's a groove down there that the battery slides into. When you guys put back this battery, you're gonna put the battery back and slide it back in the groove and tie it up, okay? Now it's out, you're gonna grab this and pull the battery out. Guys, see now it's already slide back. Gonna grab the handle, go up with it, okay? See? Comes right out, guys. That's how you do that. Comes right out. Now, when you go to put this back, guys, gonna put it back the same way you put it back in, and gonna slide it back in the groove. I'm gonna show you that groove that I'm talking about, guys. I'm gonna show you. Over here, guys. You see this groove right here? You see this, the edge of the battery right here? It slides up in that, and it helps to stabilize the battery, okay? So that's why when you guys see me take out the battery, I slide it back first. Now, when you put this thing back on the platform, slide it back in there and tie it back down. Okay, guys, grab this bad boy. We're gonna set it down this side of here. The same way you take it out, reverse it. Okay, now the battery is flat. Make sure it's flat, guys. Make sure it's flat, then slide it in. See that? All right, now it fell down. You'll feel it. You will feel it when it's down there flat and nice. Now go and slide it in. Just like that. See, now it's firm. Take this piece, put this piece back. Okay. Then you're gonna take this, guys. You're gonna make sure you catch it with your hand first. Guys, keep in mind, guys, when you guys put back this bracket, make sure you put this right into the hole, guys. Put it in the hole and push back. You're gonna push it forward on the battery. Hand tight first. Go to hand tight first. See that? And catch it. Now it's catch. Go ahead and use the tool and tie it down. See that? It's tied down. This battery is firm. They ain't going nowhere. See that? They ain't going nowhere. Now, once you got that done, close these things back, okay? Then, go ahead, grab this one. You're gonna put this one back and tie it back up. Go ahead and tie it back on there. Tie it back on there. Put this back. Snap it in. Take this one, put it back on there, tight, snap it down, it's a wrap. All right, guys, that is how you replace that battery, guys. You can do this. This stuff is not hard, guys. It's pretty simple. But it's one thing that I know for sure. Every vehicle out there, every 2 to 3 years, you have to replace the battery. All right? Come to this channel. I will show you and I will teach you. Just take your time for the instruction. Now, after you done, after you get through take out your battery, show your the support, baby. Hit that like, bang that subscribe, baby. Please support the channel, all right? It's your boy Working One, check it out. I'll see you on the next video, baby. Bam!